Hi everyone, this is Kherk Roldan, and in this video, I'm going to share with you the SEO tools that we use on a daily basis. So basically, we use this for keyword research, tracking the keywords. It's either the website or GMB, and we use this a lot for all the campaigns that we have right now. Now, let's go here with Ahrefs. So this one, we use this. So the very first thing happen when we have a new client is we will create project here. So create a project and then add manually, and then we will add a domain name here. You can also add the project name. It's up to you. Or if we already have the access to Google Search Console, we use the other choices earlier. And then, yeah, your domain is accessible. Just go to continue. And here, you can decide how often the schedule for the audits. So you want weekly, monthly, or daily, it's up to you, but we usually use weekly. Want more leads from Google? Go to KherkRoldanSEO.com. I'll find what's holding you back and develop a custom strategy for free. And then here, you need to add keywords that you want to track. So here, they show us the example of the keywords that are ranking already. And the page, like this one, adult SEO, we are ranking 73. By the way, we didn't do any SEO here. They just rank now. So we created content regularly for these pages. And then it's up to you what keywords you want to rank. Depends on you as well. And if you also have a list of keywords that you want to track, you can drop it here. But the location is very important. You need to check what specific location you want to track the ranking, because the ranking for USA or Philippines is completely different. Then choose there. Once you are satisfied, click continue. All right, and then finish. But later on, you can add more keywords there. And I really like this tool because it's very simple and I don't need to use multiple tools for doing SEO, right? Other people or other SEO, they use different tools for on-page, for technical SEO, for link building. But me, I use this tool on a daily basis. So yeah, it's already added there. Oh, now I know we have visitors. Even though we don't do any SEO here, we have visitor at least, and we have keywords. That's a great sign. Now let's do SEO here from now on. So this is the report. So if you can see the section right here, you can see that you can do a lot of things. Like for example, if I add a website, localo.com. All right, so as you can see here, you can see everything, no? From AI overview, the backlink profile, the referring domains, the organic keywords, the traffic, paid keywords, and so on and so forth. So you can see everything in the backend, which other people can see. So this time also, we can report this to the client. Like today, we will screenshot this section and send that to the client or add it in the reporting, so we have a baseline data about the organic keywords, the traffic, the paid traffic, if they do ads, no, the referring domain, the backlink. So we have a baseline data and then we compare it month after month. So let's see here. So right now, no, you can see all of this keywords. So yeah, we compile everything. As we can see here, 51 plus ranking, we have 12,277, 1 to 3, which is 1,561. So we have a data right now. You can also sort this by checking this or removing that one. So you can only see what data you want to see. And these are the keywords. And as well as the traffic for these pages or the traffic for the domain. So you can see for the last year, you can sort this, guys, or you can screenshot this today. Like today is August 20, so the traffic is 129,585. So you can screenshot this and send this to your client, just a baseline data if you want to. That's it. Okay, now I like this tool because as you can see here, you can see everything, like the structure, the backlinks, where are they linking to right now. So you can see they have best links right here from Backlinko, from Surfer SEO, Bright Local. So they categorize it, and then you can easily report this to your client by exporting this one. You can also sort the DR, the do follow, and no follow link. You can do that. You can also check for the broken backlinks easily, like this one. Referring domains, the anchor text, everything from the backlink profile, you can see that one. So right now you have a data like, oh, okay, I will not use this anchor text again because this is not good or right. This one as well. And you can see the organic keywords. You can also see the top pages, the organic keywords, right? So these are the top pages. So basically everything is here, guys. You can also see here the competitors and the paid ads. You can also sort this is by links. So they have more links from the homepage. Okay, and these are the next pages. All right, link domains, outgoing anchors, everything are there. Stop guessing SEO. Join the SEO Mastery Circle and get step-by-step strategies that gets results fast, just like I do for top websites. Now, you can also use this AI content helper right here. It's very important to help you with the AI content, site explorer, keyword research. So I use this on a daily basis to check what keywords we want to use, content explorer, and also the site audit. All right, so we'll go proceed to the next tool. So we use localdominator.co and also Localo for tracking the local clients ranking, the GMB. So as you can see here, these are the clients that we are working right now. We set a schedule for the scanning, the average scan, and also the action. So basically, yeah, it's a paid tool, but everything is worth it here because it's very cheap and you can report this to your clients. So what you can do, you need to go to scans, new scans, and here you can place the business name or add the maps URL or the CID, same process. And then they are the same tool with Localo. I like to use both. Sometimes I use Localo and sometimes I use Local Dominator, but you can choose one only. All right, so yeah, that's it for now. By the way, if you are interested to work with us, no, or if you have a website or GMB that you want us to check the ranking problem and also create a strategy, just go here with the free SEO strategy session link and then book for a call so I can discuss it to you for free. These are some of the case studies that we work with for our previous clients. You can see here, like this is the ranking report coming from Local Dominator. So we started with this client with a challenge like 20 plus and above, but after working with us, improved the ranking by 1.49. So if you're interested for GMB, go to this section and then go to GMB, and we have 3 packages here, right? Depends on the population. So if your population is lower than 600, higher than 600, this is the rate, or if more than that, this is the rate. If you are an agency right now, then go here to white label SEO because we do white label partnership. You want to make money by partnering us, this is the right thing to do. We have client right now with 30 businesses to us, 50, and they are improving their business as well because like our rate is very cheap and they can make money by partnering us. So that's it for now. See you on my next videos.